दिल्ली विधानसभे खातीर 5 फेब्रुवारीक मतदान जातले आणि फेब्रुवारीच्या 8 तारखेक मतमेजणी जातली. मुखेल वेंचणूक आयुक्त राजीव कुमार हांणी नवी दिल्लीत घेतिल्ल्या पत्रकार परिशदेंत ही माहिती दिली. यावेळी वेंचणूक आयोगान 70 वांगड्यांच्या हाजेरींत विधानसभा वेंचणुकी खातीरची मतदानाची कार्यावळ जाहीर केली. 10 जानेवारीक मतदानाची अधिसुचोवणी जारी करतले आणि नामांकनाची निमणी तारीख या महिन्याच्या 17 तारखेक आसतली अशें ताणें सांगले. या वेंचणुके खातीर 13,033 मतदान केंद्रां स्थापन करतले, जातूंत 1,55,00,000 मतदार आपले मोलादीक मत दितले. दिल्लीचे मतदार व्हडा प्रमाणात या वेंचणुकेंत वांटेकार जातले अशी आस्त मुखेल वेंचणूक आयुक्त राजीव कुमार हांणी ह्या वेळार उक्तायली.
So this is the schedule. We will start, it's a single phase election. Date of notification will be 10th of January, Friday. Last date of making nomination will be 17th of January. Scrutiny on 18th of January. Withdrawal 20th. These are the statutory periods of time which is given. Date of poll is 5th. And counting is 8th. And 5th again we have very deliberately kept Wednesday. क्योंकि हम सोचते हैं सब दिल्ली वाले वोट करें, इसलिए इस बार भी महाराष्ट्र की तरह हमने इसको वेडनेसडे में रखा है. Entire election process after counting will be complete by 10th. And this is, we are doing elections in by-polls also in Milkipur in UP and Erode in Tamil Nadu. So, friends, thank you very much. With this, I come to an end of this press conference. I would request again, before ending, it's a festival which I am sure Delhi will celebrate in true spirits, and the campaign would be clutter-free, would not make the noises which are unwarranted. I request again that let Delhi vote with full participation. Thank you.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, गोमंतक टीव्ही.